Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best sensor kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for anyone looking to dive into the world of electronics, automation, or even just curious about how things work, offering an incredible array of components that can measure everything from temperature and humidity to motion and light, empowering creators to build innovative projects and bring their ideas to life with real-world data. Number 5. Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit, Full Frame. This comprehensive kit provides all the essential tools for camera maintenance. Unlike other options, it includes everything you need in one organized, protective hardshell case. Its 2-ounce cleaning solution is alcohol and ammonia-free, made with all natural, plant-based ingredients. This ensures it's 100% safe for all electronics, multi-coated lenses, and digital imaging sensors. The kit includes 6 individually wrapped, vacuum-sealed 24mm dry sensor cleaning swabs. These lint-free swabs are designed for full-frame sensors, effectively removing dust and smudges without residue. It is compatible with popular full-frame DSLR and mirrorless cameras from brands like Canon, Nikon, and Sony. Always verify your sensor size to ensure perfect compatibility. All tools are neatly stored in a zippered hardshell case, perfect for travel. This compact case fits easily into any camera bag, keeping everything organized and protected on the go. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for camera maintenance, ensuring you have every tool needed in one organized, protected case. Its all-natural, ammonia-free cleaning solution is safe for all lenses and sensors, providing a streak-free clean. If you are a photographer looking for a complete, safe, and portable cleaning solution for your full-frame DSLR or mirrorless camera, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about the sensor kit could be extracted. Number 4. KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 Sensor Kit for Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Dive into the exciting world of electronics and programming with this comprehensive sensor kit. It provides 37 essential sensors and modules, perfect for anyone eager to learn the fundamentals. This kit comes with detailed, step-by-step tutorials, complete with pictures and code for 37 engaging projects. These resources make learning basic sensor knowledge accessible and fun. Each module features 3 to 4 pins, making it incredibly easy to plug into a solderless breadboard or connect with DuPont wires. It's designed for seamless integration into your projects. This simple sensor kit is ideal for beginners interested in programming and electronics. It's compatible with popular platforms like Arduino R3, Mega 2560, Nano, and even Raspberry Pi. You'll find 37 diverse sensors and modules, all neatly packed in a sturdy box, with each item individually secured. Please note, the main controller board is not included with this set. The included tutorials are specifically tailored for the Arduino platform, guiding you through each project with clarity. While it works with Raspberry Pi, dedicated tutorials for that platform are not provided. What we like. This kit provides a solid foundation with 37 basic sensors, perfect for beginners diving into electronics. It comes with detailed, step-by-step tutorials and code examples for Arduino, making learning accessible. If you are new to programming and want to learn basic sensor knowledge with clear guidance, this kit is ideal for your first projects. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. GlowShift Black 7-Color Digital Wideband AFR Gauge Kit. This essential gauge helps you tune and map out the precise air-to-fuel ratios for your vehicle. It's perfect for both gasoline and E85 flex fuel performance engines, ensuring optimal power and efficiency. It provides accurate digital wideband air-fuel ratio readings, from 10.00 to 20.00 AFR for gasoline. For E85, it displays readings from 6.00 to 12.00 AFR, giving you critical data at a glance. This 52mm gauge features a sleek black dial, clear lens, and a vibrant 7-color digital display. You can choose from 7 solid colors or 2 cycle modes to match your dashboard or create a custom look. A dimmer wire also reduces its brightness by 30% when your headlights are on. It comes with everything you need for a seamless installation, including a 4.9 LSU wideband oxygen sensor, Weldon bung, and control box. All necessary harnesses, a data logging wire, and mounting hardware are also provided. Step-by-step instructions guide you through the process. Since 2004, GlowShift has been dedicated to customer satisfaction. It includes a 1-year limited warranty, free lifetime technical support, and 30-day no-hassle returns, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. What we like. This specialized gauge is crucial for precise vehicle tuning, offering accurate air-fuel ratio readings for both gasoline and E85 flex fuel engines. Its vibrant 7-color digital display allows for customization to match your vehicle's interior. If you are a performance vehicle enthusiast needing to monitor and map out your engine's air-to-fuel ratios, this kit provides essential data and style. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points without source data. Number 2. KEYESTUDIO 48 Sensors Kit for Arduino Beginners. Discover the KEYESTUDIO 48 Sensors Kit, designed for aspiring inventors and learners. It includes 48 popular sensors and modules, ready to bring your ideas to life. With this comprehensive kit, you can create a wide range of devices, robots, and interactive projects. Imagine the possibilities as you explore its diverse components. While it doesn't include an Arduino board, this kit is compatible with various microcontrollers like Raspberry Pi and different Arduino models. We provide detailed instructions specifically for Arduino users. Dive into detailed projects for each sensor, complete with wiring diagrams and test code. You can easily download comprehensive Arduino tutorials from our dedicated wiki website. This complete sensor kit, presented in exquisite packaging, is ideal for junior high and high school students, inventors, and hobbyists of all skill levels. It's a fantastic way to start your electronics journey. Our tutorials simplify wiring for Arduino and provide clear example codes, making it incredibly easy to get started. Plus, our professional team is always ready to assist with any questions you may have. What we like. This kit expands on basic learning with 48 popular and mainstream sensors, enabling a wider range of interactive projects and robot builds. It provides comprehensive tutorials with wiring diagrams and test codes, simplifying complex setups. If you're an intermediate learner or an inventor looking for a more extensive collection of sensors to tackle diverse projects, this kit offers great versatility. What people say. Number 1. HiLetgo 37 Sensor Assortment Kit. Introducing the HiLetgo 37 Sensor Assortment Kit. This comprehensive package is designed for enthusiasts and educators alike. It provides a wide range of components for your next project. Perfect for Arduino and Raspberry Pi users, this kit enhances your learning and building experience. It's an ideal companion for microcontroller unit education. Imagine having 37 different sensors at your fingertips, all in one convenient starter kit. This makes it incredibly easy to dive into various robot projects. With this kit, you can easily integrate a touch sensor module into your designs. It allows your creations to interact with the world through simple contact. Discover the heartbeat detection module, perfect for health-related projects or biometric applications. It provides valuable data for your innovative ideas. Utilize the infrared sensor receiver module for remote control, object detection, or security systems. It opens up a world of possibilities for your robotic endeavors. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this kit offers endless opportunities for creativity and learning. Get yours today and bring your robot project to life. What we like. This assortment kit offers 37 different sensors, making it a versatile choice for various robot and MCU education projects. It's designed to kickstart your journey into robotics and microcontroller programming. If you are looking for a straightforward and affordable collection of sensors to experiment with robotics or educational projects, this kit provides a great starting point. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.